Okay, so good day everyone. So today we're going to have an example about Arduino. We're going to use the Proteus for our simulation and then for our circuitry as well, and then we're also going to use this one, the Arduino, okay, for our program. Okay, first we're going to design the circuitry. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to have a running LED. Okay, we're going to make this on the basic program. So first, we're going to have our schematic first. Okay, the good thing about this one is that we have only a simple and a lesser circuitry, because what will make the device function is the program, no? So to start with, we have this one, okay, Proteus, and then we are going to create a file name, okay, say for example running LED, okay, and then okay, next, now we are going to create a schematic. Okay, so mag-create a schematic. Next, okay, we're not going to create a PCB because we're not going to convert that one to PCB, and of course we're not going to create a firmware because I think it is not included, um, the Arduino in my firmware, no? So we're just going to click next and then finished. Oh, wait lang. Bakit wala naka-check yung schematic? So, balik tabi. Okay, create data. Create schematic. Okay, next. Next. Okay. So, we're going to do the schematic. Okay. And then finished. Okay, so this one is just very simple. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to create a running LED. Okay. So, first, okay, so we have here this environment. So, we're going to first click what the Arduino, so just type Arduino here, okay, Arduino Uno, okay, then double click, and then we're going to use LED or running lights. Okay, so say for example we're going to use 4 different colors. Okay, so we're going to use 4 colors. So say for example we're going to start with, okay, we have the blue, okay, green, yeah, red, and then yellow. Okay, these are 4 LEDs that we're going to use for our circuitry, or for the running lights. So this one, okay, just click the Arduino, and then okay, zoom lang na to siya. Okay, and then we're going to put LEDs here, then just rotate that one. Okay, next we have the green, and then rotate. Okay, next we have yellow, and then you have, okay, so rotate, and then next we have yellow. Okay, then rotate. So this will not be our LEDs. No, this will be a running light, and then we're going to connect it here in our pin. Okay, we start with 13. Okay, it's up to you can select any pin you wanted to select. Now these pins is, you can create this one in, this could either be input or this could also be an output. Okay, so here we have LED here, so we're going to use pin 13, 12, 11, and 10. Okay, and then we're going to connect this one with the ground. Oh, wait lang. Okay, wait lang ha. Okay, dito na to na. So okay, we're going to connect it to the ground. Okay, so after that, after we be able to connect this one to the ground, so this is now our circuitry. Okay, ano lang kagamay itong circuit. What we're going to do this one is we're going to make this lights run, but what we're going to make use is the program inside the Arduino. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this one. Okay, we have now the environment of Arduino, so you just click Arduino soft uh, software, and then you are going to type here the codes. Okay, so for this one, okay, take note that we have identified our um, pins already. So you have pin 13, 12, and 11 and 10. Okay, so in our case, since we are going to make the LEDs a running light, so what we're going to do, we are going to make use of those pins now as output. Okay, so we're going to initialize the pin number. So first we're going to declare it. So for example, the first LED that we're going to use is the blue, and the blue is assigned to pin 13. Okay, then next will be LED that is green. Tama ba? Green ba tong isa? Let me check. So you have blue, green, red, and yellow. Okay, so pasunod na siya. So green equivalent or LED 12, and then you have LED, so itong isa kanina, red, no? So red, that is equivalent to pin 11. Okay, and you have the last one, you have LED yellow, and that is equivalent to, or that is assigned to pin 10. Okay, these are now our initialization. So these are now the different assignments of your LED. Okay, the next what we're going to do is we're going to identify using pin mode command if these LEDs are output or input. Since we're going to make use of this one as a running LED or running lights, and so this will serve as what? This will serve as an output. Okay, so pin mode. Okay, then LED blue. Okay, LED blue. LED blue is assigned as what? Output. Okay, that is assigned as output. Then the same thing, pin. Okay, so we're just going to move this one. So pin mode, and that is LED green. Okay, again, these are all assigned as what? Output. Okay, if you notice also, if the command is correct, so you will notice that it will make its own color. Okay, so that is also one way to identify if your command is correctly or in a correct syntax. So say for example like that. So if you notice, if I'm just going to put here out, if you notice that it has a different color, simply because out is not a part of the command. Now this one in black are all variables. We have declared it on top, and then we assign these variables with these particular pins. Okay, so then you have output. Okay, if you notice, if I'm going to write output, then makita nimo nga nag-color na ang word ng output. That means that output is a, and also pin mode is a function or a command, no, in your what we call this one, Arduino. Okay, output. Next. Okay, so after that, we have now initialized our outputs. So next, we're going to go sa loop. This is where we're going to write our or the turning on and off of our LED. So first, we're going to write, okay, digital, and then write. Okay, digital write will allow you to send output. Okay, or will allow you to write the output. Okay, so LED blue first, LED blue. So what we're going to do with LED blue is we're going to consider it high. Okay, so again, we notice pag mali ang imuhang tawag ni command, so di siya mag-highlight. So high, nakakapitalize siya. Okay, the same thing with output, nakakapitalize siya. So mo color blue na siya pag correct ang iyahang syntax or function name rather. Then after that, meaning we are going to turn on. So pag high siya, that means naka 1 siya. Pag low siya, that means naka 0 siya. So high is turned on, low is turned off. Okay? Then we're going to put a delay in order for us to see that the LED is turning on and off. Okay? If you're not going to put a delay on that a particular in your program, so therefore what we're going to see is you see it as it is always lighting, okay, or turning on. So again here delay, ang delay yan hindi same lang sa programming. So ang 1000 is equivalent to 1 second. Okay? Then again, so naka-turn on ang blue, and then what we're going to do para makita ito siya nga naga-turn on and off. So pag naka-turn on siya, then we are going to turn it off. So LED blue, and then low. So meaning this will be turned on, and then i-delay na pud siya og 1000 or 1 second. It's up to you whatever delay you're going to use. So nara na sa imo ha. Then after this, what we're going to do is, okay, copy lang nato, and then we're going to paste. So we're just going to change this one with what next? So LED green. Okay, LED green. So naka-high siya, then LED green. Then next we have this one. Again, we're just going to change the from, okay, this will be LED red, naka-high, and also this will be red. So naka-low na po siya. Okay, then the last one is the yellow. So we're just going to change this one to LED yellow. So naka-high, naka-on, then delay lang siya 1 second, and then we're going to turn this one off. Okay, so ano lang siya. So naka-void loop, meaning it will keep on looping, nakabalik-balik lang na siya perform. So basically, since nakabalik-balik siya, so you will see in the output nga na balik-balik lang po siya, turn on, turn off. But this will be a running, so meaning one at a time. So turn on, off, then next LED na po, the next LED, the next LED. Okay? Kaya lang medyo bagal ni siya because 1 second ang atong interval. Okay? So let us check. Okay, by the way, don't forget to compile. Okay, we're going to compile in order for us to be able to see if there are errors in the program. So, kung wala siyang error, okay, so, ibutan na to diri. Pwede sa desktop, no? Ibutan to desktop lang. And this is running lights. Okay, running lights. Okay. So, we just try to save that one. Okay, saving. So, ano pa siya, compiling pa siya. Okay, let's wait. So, if you notice, nag-compiling siya, makita mo this kilid, at the same time, makita mo din ang naka-green. So, meaning, naka-compile na siya. Okay. So, after that, okay, so, na-compile na. So, makita na pag mauman na siya, may na siya nga done. Okay, done compiling. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Now, what we're going to do here is that what we're going to upload in the Arduino is the hex file program. Okay, so hex file ang atong i-upload dito sa Arduino. So, wala pa siya naman. So, medyo dugay, no? Let's just wait. Okay, so done compiling na siya. Okay, we just move. Okay, done na siya. So, meaning, we're going to find out the hex file. Kung asa to yung hex file. Okay. Let's find the hex file. Okay, this one. If you can see, there's a hex file here. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to copy the entire file, no, from C, because this will be the path. So, ato na siyang kapihon. Okay, and then copy. Or Control C na lang, Control C. Copy. And then, naghahang na kung ano. Then, we're going to open this one. Okay, open na to. Then, if you can see your program file, we're just going to paste it here. Control V. So, may nikaroon imuhang file. So, and then, you just click OK here. Okay. After clicking OK, we're going to what? Play. So pag play na to, so let's wait until mag-run siya. Okay. So if you can notice, nag-red siya. After 1 second, mag-off. Next will be, okay, green. After 1 second, mag-off. After 1 second, this will be red. Okay, off na po na siya after 1 second. After 1 second, this will be yellow. Okay, ma-off. And until 1 second, dili na po nabalik na po sa blue. Okay, so magbalik-balik lang na siya, no? 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, so ano na siya. Now, kaya lang medyo dugay siya is because 1 second itong igamit. So what we're going to do, okay, close na nato siya. So if we wanted to make it a little bit faster, so we're just going to change the delay. Say for example 100. Okay, 100 na lang, no? 100. So what we're going to do here, okay, there's no need for us to what kasi ang atong file is nakaano na siya eh. So naka-save na siya so katong link, di ba? Kaganina. So what we're going to do once we're going to make changes here, compile lang ka, compile. Okay? Compile first. Let's wait. Okay, after compiling, just save the file. Okay, save lang. And then let's go back to this one. Okay? What we're going to do is just play. Automatic na siya mag-change. Okay, play na nato. You see? So, paspas na kayo. Kaya naka 100 lang siya. Okay? Paspas na yung movement tree. Okay? So, ano lang siya. So, change the, when you're going to change the code, okay, pwede ka mag-change. And then, what you're going to do, just compile. Always compile. Don't forget compile. And then, you're going to save the file. And then, you can automatically run the file here sa ato ang ProChoose. Okay? So, ano lang mag-edit sa file. Okay, that is just one example, and later on I'm going to give you another example that we're going to control, or we're going to make use of the other control, the output or the input rather, wherein we're going to make use of the button. Okay.